How's it going, YouTube? My name's Curtis. You're watching the Stash 808, and today we have another video for you. This is a new series I'm going to start. It's called Flashback Friday. So today we have some 1992 Select. This is hobby exclusive. I never opened up Select Hobby when I was a kid. 1992, I was probably about 7th grade when this came out. So it really wasn't into the hobby packs, more like the retail packs, things like that. Don't know really what's in here as far as players go. I don't know if there's any big players in here. I don't think this is a little bit earlier than Derek Jeter, so I don't think he's in here. But let's open this up, see if we can find us some Hall of Famers. So I purchased this back around February of this year. There was a collectible show. This particular vendor had a bunch of old hobbies, well, not really hobby, but old wax from back in the day. So I think I picked this up for like 20 bucks or so. Don't really know, like I said, too much about it as far as what we're gonna find. I don't even know how well the packs are going to be. I know it's sealed, so that's a good sign, but I don't know if they're going to be sticking together or what the case is. So it's a lot of packs, actually, 12 cards per pack. So we're going to do this super rip style. So I'm going to open up one stack at a time, and we'll go through it that way. That way this video is not super long. Actually, let's do this first pack real fast just to kind of get an idea of how, if this cards are going to be sticky or not. So like the first card stuck together. So there we are. We got, who's this? John Patterson. Oh, Dante Bichette, father of Bo Bichette. Who's this here? Brett. Who's this, from the Marlins? So some of these guys aren't even going to know. Ben McDonald. He's a pitcher. Tim Bogar, Sean Dunston, of course, Roger Clemens, John Wheatland, Todd Van Poppel. Oh, sorry, camera's going in and out. Jay Buhner. So, okay, so the cards aren't going to be sticking together, so that's always a good sign. So let's go ahead, rip open these other packs here, see if we can find something good. This is Series 1. Oh, I'm sorry, this is actually 1994. For some reason, I thought it was 1992. 1994, I was actually a freshman in high school. So, kind of dating myself there. Score Select. Let's go ahead, got a few more here. I am using my phone, so that's why the camera keeps kind of going in and out. Sorry about that, folks. Before we continue, before we get any further, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Continue to help grow the channel. Alright, so last pack here for this first stack. Let's see what we got. Prospects, Rondell White, Chris Gomez. So these are all like landscape, looks like. Chip Hawley. Alright, who's that? Steve Kotze. Some of these guys I do remember, of course, Darryl Strawberry. Who's this one? Carl Rhodes. Walt Weiss. Andres Galarraga. Reggie Sanders, Mike Lansing, Paul O'Neill, Will Cordero, alright, Matt Miskey, who's this one here? Tony Esbro, probably said that wrong here. Got Rich. I'm trying to go through these real fast. Phil Planter, Ramon Martinez, I think that's Pedro Martinez's brother. Tim Wallbach, Tommy Green. So now some of these are sticking together, which is what I was afraid of. Not too bad though. Chuck Carr, Jeff Conine. Alright, Mike Blowers. Who's this? Bob Tewksbury. I remember him being a Cardinals fan. Paul Mollander. Who we got here? Javier Lopez. That was a Braves fan. Remember him? He was a big time. He was a long time Braves. We got here Raul Mondesi, Stan Javier, Bernie Williams, Kurt Reuter, Tim Raines. Again, a lot of these guys are going to be Hall of Famers here. Probably not a lot of worth here. Dave Stewart, great Oakland A's pitcher. Who we have here? Charlie Hayes. Who we got here? Wally Joyner from his time with the Royals. Lance Johnson. Ruben Sierra. Who we got here? Kurt Abbott. Next one, Solomon Torres. Ray Langford. Remember him growing up for the Cardinals. Rick Aguilera. Oh, camera's going on the fritz. Sorry about that, folks. Here we go. Who's this one here? Who we got? Chan-Ho Park. Prospects. Nice. Not too bad. Set that one off to the side. Jack McDowell. Corey Snyder. Oh, Mark McGwire. There we go. Mark McGwire. I'll take that one. Put that off to the side. Jimmy Key. Sorry, folks. Phone keeps going on the fritz there. So, Key. Oh, missing one right here. Oh, Mike McFarland. Ryan Thompson. Danny Batista. Prospect. We got one back here. Who else we got back here? Oh, Ryan Klesko. Another Braves and Padres player. Set that one to the side too. Who else do we got here? Rich, I don't know, I ain't gonna pronounce that last name. Phil Planter again. Ramon Martinez, looks like we're getting to some doubles now. Tim Wallback. Tommy Green. Mike Mussina. Oh, there's a Don Mattingly. Great Don Mattingly from the New York Yankees. Set that one off to the side. Hall of Famer. Chuck Knobloch. Everybody remembers Chuck Knobloch for his throwing issues. We got here Rick Wilkins and Phil Hintigan. So that was the first stack of cards. So let me move all those out the way. Get into this next pack. Actually, let's go ahead. We'll just kind of put these all together here. That way, try to shorten this video. Don't want it to make it too long. Again, as we get ready to hit this second pack, stack of cards, make sure again you hit that like button and subscribe button. Help grow the channel. So this is Flashback Friday. So 1994 Score Select. So far we pulled Don Mattingly, Mark McGwire, Ryan Klesko. This is all going to be guys that are Hall of Famers now. I don't think Derek Jeter's in this. That would be nice to pull a Derek Jeter. Alright. And make sure down below, leave your comments. Let me know what you thought about this product. If you remember ripping any of this as a kid back in the day. What was that, Mark McGwire? Yep, another Mark McGwire right there. Doing this super rip style, so that way we can keep this video short. If I was to open these up individually, this would probably be like a good 20 to 30 minute video, if not longer. So here we go. Oh, going to the wrong stack here. And last pack here for stack number 2. Alright, here we go. I'll break these down. Set this off to the side here. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, Jim Edmonds. Oh, the great Jim Edmonds. He was known for his catch with the Angels, and then he got traded to St. Louis. Him and McGuire teamed up. Had a pretty good seasons there. So we got Move On, Wade Boggs, Dave Fleming, Andre Dawson, the Hawk, Steve Buechele. Probably saying some of these names wrong. Who else do we got? Jimmy Keys. So we're gonna start seeing some doubles here soon. Jimmy Keys, Mike McFarland, Jeff Blauser, Ryan Thompson, Brian Jordan, Joe Girardi. Well, he was for the manager for the Phillies, I believe, but he got fired. Who we got here? Another Solomon Torres. Oh, Bobby Witt Sr., Bobby Witt Jr.'s father. Mike Morgan, Mike Perez, Mike Stanley, Stan Javier. There's the great Joe Carter, known for his home run in the World Series to win their first World Series, I do believe, back in the 90s. I think like 1996, I think. I might be wrong, might be a little bit earlier. Ryan Bowman, Wes Chamberlain. Some of you guys don't know Dave Winfield, the great Dave Winfield. Mike Piazza, the great Mike Piazza, Dodger. Known for his time with the Dodgers and the Mets, and for his little beef with Roger Clemens. Oh, the great Tony Gwynn, the late great Tony Gwynn, probably one of the greatest hitters in baseball. And who do you have here? Carlos Delgado. I'm gonna put this over to the side here. Who we got now? Tino Martinez, another great hitter. Jeffrey Hammond. What we got here? Brian Hunter, Mark Whitten, Pat Kelly, Kevin Appier, Edgar Martinez, Lenny Dykstra, nails. He's had some off-field issues. I don't really know what's going on with him right now. I know he was in jail there for a little while for claiming bankruptcy fraud, I believe. So who knows what he's up to now. Darren Dalton. Oh, Jose Lind. Felix Jose. What do we got here? Matt Walbeck. Geronimo Pena. Kevin Mitchell. Tom Gordon. Jack Voigt. Alex Arias. Brian Jordan again. Joe Girardi again. Steve Avery. Great pitcher for the Braves. Barry Larkin. Mark McLemore. The great Sammy Sosa. Him and McGuire kind of saved baseball back in the 90s. Oh, let's see here. Who do we got? Mike Matheny, Cardinals catcher. He was a one-time Cardinal manager, Kansas City Royals manager. So I don't know. I think he got fired, so I don't know what he's up to now. Tony. I don't know how to say that last name, so I won't try. Dave Magadan. Andy Van Slyke. Pat Mears. Jeff Montgomery. Brett Saberhagen. We got here John Wetland. Got some cards sticking together. Todd Van Pobble. He was a great closer for a while. Or I think he started off as a starting pitcher, then he went to a closer. Let's see here. We got the great Frank Thomas. Down off to the side. Jay Buhner again. We got a checklist here. Let's see if we can figure out who's on this checklist. Anyone good? What we got? Who all we got? Do we have like King Griffey Jr.? Oh, well. Besides, we got Matt Wallback again. Let's see here. Anybody? Who we got? Channel Park. Royal Mondesi. Ryan Klesko. Javi Lopez. So set that off to the side here. Let's go Tino Martinez again. Jeffrey Hammond. Brian Hunter, Mark Whitten, Pat Kelly, Dave Cone, Doc Gooden. That's kind of interesting for him to be hitting instead of seeing him as a pitcher. Jose Urijo. Where's the McGuire at? Oh, there was a McGuire somewhere. Oh, Bernard Gilkey. Huh. I have to go back. Oh, no wonder I still got this other stack over here to do. I tricked myself there, so let me move these out the way. Hit this last little stack here of cards here. James Mouton, Moises Alou, Mike Bordick, John Smiley, Jim Abbott, great pitcher, great one-handed pitcher there. Jeff King. Charlie Hayes again. Wally Joyner. Lance Johnson. What else do we got here? Oh, we got Cliff Floyd. Trying to get the camera to focus up a little bit. Oh, let's see here. We got National League. Let's see what we got. Oh, I still got the same one here. Nothing good. Nothing. Alright, Tino Martinez. Jeffrey Hammond. Brian Hunter, Mark Whitten. So nothing really good. No, obviously Griffey Jr.'s not in here. I don't even think Barry Bonds is in here. But we would have seen him already. Robin Ventura. Terry Pendleton. Couple of cards here stuck. Devin White. Eric Karros. James Mouton, John Patterson. Now some of these cards I see are getting stuck right here. Alright, David Knight, Carlos Garcia, Brad Osmus. I think he's the manager for the Tigers, I think, at one time. I don't know if he still is or not. David McCarty, Larry Walker, Mike Greenwell. Ozzie Guillen, he was a manager at one point for the White Sox. I don't know what he's up to these days. Al Martin, I think this should be the... Nope, that's not the McGuire. Huh. Maybe I miss... Pedro Estacio. Maybe I was seeing things, I guess. I'll go back through after this video and double check to make sure. Let's do this last stack right here. Get you guys on your merry way. We're getting ready to hit about 20 minutes into this video already, so try to get through this real fast. Again, smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit that bell so whenever I put out new videos, you'll be the first to know. Leave a comment down below too. Let me know what you thought about this product from 1994. If you remember opening any of it, who your favorite player was, let me know down below. Oh, National League stuff. The checklist keeps popping up National League, so I wonder if maybe like Series 1 is National League. I've not seen the checklist for American League yet pop up. In the next video I'll do, I have some I think it's again 1994 wild card NBA. So I'll be ripping that open, and then after that I do have some football. So I'll be Ripping that open too. Again, nothing high end. This is just nostalgia from back in my childhood. I'm sure a lot of you guys are thinking the same thing. 1994. Let me know down below. 1994. What grade you were in, what you were doing, who you were collecting. Because 1994, I was a freshman in high school. That was a long time ago. Long time ago. So get this last pack open here. Alright, let's get this stack going. Alright. Floyd. Kelly Stinnett. It would be going faster if they weren't a little bit stuck together. Brent Barber. Ben McDonald. Sean Dunstan. We'll just kind of skip through. Ray Langford. Jay Bell. Jim Abbott. Jeff King. Kind of weird. I haven't seen the checklist for the American League, only the National League. So, kind of put my theory to rest that this was only National League in here, and then we got American League teams in here too. Turner. Oh, Manny Ramirez. Early Manny Ramirez. He was one of my favorite players growing up. Alright. Joe Oliver. Kevin Gross. Oh, John Smoltz, another great pitcher for the Braves back in the 90s. Joe Orsulak, Bobby Jones, Paul Molinder, Hall of Famer Doc Gooden. Everybody knows him from the 80s Mets that won the World Series. David Cone, Doc Gooden again, Jose Rio, Ron Kabortsky, I think that's how you pronounce it. Kurt Abbott. Yep, see, there's a checklist again. So, alright. Kurt Schilling, great pitcher. Alex Gonzalez, rookie card. Let's see here. Tom Pagnozzi. Scott Erickson. This is what the back of the card looks like. So nothing fancy. Not like the selective today, where it's all nice and glossy. You have different field level concourse, all that kind of stuff. Mezzanine, Bob Welch. Alright. Oh, this one's actually kind of messed up. Roberto, yes. Who is this guy? Roberto. Let's keep moving. We're almost done here. Scott Cooper. Oh, the great Ryan Sandberg. Who's this? Oh, Randy Johnson. That's an interesting picture right there. The great Randy Johnson. Nice. Dave Stratton. Matt Mitski. See here. Moises Alou. I think that's like the first Randy Johnson come across. Same with Ryan Sandberg. Big Vordick. Billy Hatcher. John Smiley. And again, these cards don't have any big value to them. Just more nostalgia. Devin White. Mark Limsky. Tony Neal. Jeff Kent. Chris Gomez. James. Kevin. So this is all just for nostalgia. Danny Tarwin. Willie Green. Oh, there's another Randy Johnson. Pull that one off. That's two right there. That's pretty cool. What we got here? Chuck Carr. Jeff Conine. Bob Twisky. Here we go. Let's get this checklist out of here. Last little bit of cards here. Alright. Matt Wahlbeck. Kurt Reuter. Tim Raines. Gotta go through this a little bit faster. Tim Raines. Dave Stewart. Dave Magadan. Andy Van Slyke. Derek Mays, Harold Baines, Hall of Famer, Larry Walker, Hall of Famer, Mike Greenwell, Ozzie Guillen. We've seen a lot of him. Bobby Witt, again Bobby Witt Jr.'s father, Mike Morgan, Mike Perez. Oh, we got an insert right here. Oh, nice. Crown Contenders, Mike Piazza. That's cool. It's not numbered though, but that's cool though. We'll put that off to the side. There we go. Mike Stanley. Alright. Keep going. Troy Neal. Jeff Kent. He played well when he was with the Giants during this time with Barry Bonds. Jay Bell. Jim Abbott. Dave. Chip. Steve, was it Steve Kotze? Come on, camera. We're almost to the end here. Strawberry. Rhodes, Weiss, Greg Maddux. So we saw all three of the great Braves pitchers from the 90s. Steve Avery, John Smoltz, Greg Maddux. Alright. Scott Cooper. Almost done here. Ryan Sandberg, the great Ryan Sandberg. Randy Johnson, I think that's the third one already. Okay, Jim Edmonds prospect, I'll take that. Dave Garcia, Chad Osmus, David McCarty, Mark McLemore, Sammy Sosa, and to the last few cards here, Randy Myers, Darren Holland, Chris Hollis, and Brian McRae is the last card. Again, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know down below what you thought about this box. Let me know what you were doing in 1994. Until then, aloha from Hawaii.